Hey girl, hey, good morning. Oh my god, I literally sound like death right now. But welcome back to a new vlog. Welcome to a day in my life as a pro MUA. Today is a busy work day, and I'm bringing you guys along to spend a day with me as I'm working on a wedding. It's currently almost 6:30 a.m. I don't know if you can see that, almost 6:30 a.m. and I just finished getting ready. I have a wedding that I'm working. I'm doing a bridal's hair and makeup and her mom and her sister. That's why we're getting ready to go. I am just having me a cup of tea, a ginger tea, because the way I feel right now is just, I don't feel the best and I need to feel great. I hate the fact that I'm sick before this bride's appointment. I tried everything. I tried to do everything to make sure that I didn't feel sick, but I feel like my body just crashed and it does not feel amazing at all. And I hate the fact that I'm gonna be all up in her face, her hair, as I'm sick. So I already bought some NyQuil, Dayquil. I took some NyQuil yesterday, helped me sleep. I'm gonna take some Dayquil. I have my mask, I have my bowls, I have my fisherman. I literally bought a whole kit just to help me, and I try to stay sanitary as best as I can throughout the whole appointment. But yeah, that's where we're headed to go right now. I need to get my energy up because I need to make sure that I get there and match the bride's energy, just because it's her wedding day, and usually these wedding mornings are very stressful for the bride, so I don't want her to be stressed about me, which they usually aren't. So yeah, I'm bringing you guys along for a fun, busy day. It's currently raining outside and the drive is about an hour and a half, and I need to be there for 8:30 a.m. So we need to leave right now. I'm just gonna finish my tea, drink my Dayquil to get me up and going, and then we're gonna head out. But yeah, this is gonna be fun. I don't think I've ever done a vlog of just a day in my life as a makeup artist, so this is what that will be. I'm gonna be bringing you guys along my work day to show you guys the process of how I get my brides ready for their big day. And I'm so excited because this is what I love to do, and I'm excited to bring you guys along. Let me finish drinking my tea, take my medicine, and then we're gonna get going. Hey yo, so we're finally in the car. We just picked up some gas. We're about to start driving off. I just put on my favorite gospel music and we're about to start driving. Right now my GPS says the drive is about an hour and 11 minutes, so we're doing pretty good on time. I'll arrive there around 7:50 a.m., which is pretty good. It gives me enough time to find parking and get myself situated before I have to start. My start time is 8:30, so we're doing amazing on time. I'm anticipating some traffic to give me behind 10 minutes, which will still pretty good. We're gonna get going and I'll probably pick you guys up before I start working. I usually get very busy when I start working, but I'll try my best to vlog along. It's only 3 people, so it shouldn't be that crazy, and we have quite a lot of time to get everybody ready, so I will do my best to get the vlog footage and bring you guys along the process. So I'm gonna start my drive. I'll see you guys when we get there. Hi, we just made it. Currently in the elevator heading up. Just made it to my floor. We did great on time. There wasn't that much traffic and I just got here. And I'm so excited to see my bride. I have this big trolley that I have to pull. It's so beautiful up here. Okay, room is 501. So let's get to work. Of course, yeah.
Something new that you haven't done ever in your life.
Now you can see.
It looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice. That is very like, yeah. Oh, I really like the lip specifically, and then the eye's never been like this. So thank you. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you.
This feels like something. Oh, you make me feel so alive. And I swear it, baby. Must be my lover. Oh, you make me feel better time. I like it, you. Will you ever know? You don't know my name. And when we make love, you don't know my name. Your cries that can be heard from far in my eyes. It's only the two of us. You don't know my name. Everything I need between those that every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit of time, I feel it. Feel like I get you. And I swear it, baby. Feel like I get you. Will you ever know? You don't know my. I'll take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you. Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories. Don't you love when I come around? Tell you up, then I take it down. Don't you love when I come around? Tell you up, then I take it This feels like something. Oh, you make me feel
touch-up kit. It has all like the little products for you. Yes, a spray, the lipstick, everything is all in there just for touch-up.
Okay, awesome.
Okay, I'm just gonna clean up. Okay, and I'll still be here just for touch-up before you guys go down.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Alright, take care.
Feels like some magic. So don't
And I swear it,
ask me all about it.
you don't know.
And when we're making love, your cries they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us.